In SolidWorks we can modify the display form of a solid by changing its fill, which makes it easier to perform certain operations in creating and editing projects. Let's look in this class how to do this. The model can be presented in Shaded with Edges mode, where, in addition to the solid padding, the edges are presented in bold, highlighting the outer contours of the model. This solid filler can be of an applied material, texture or color. In Shaded mode, only solid padding is shown, without the highlight of the edges. Being a lighter view mode, but it makes it difficult to visualize the contours of the model. In the Hidden Lines Removed mode, only the outer contours of the model are shown, without padding. Even if the model has a material or color applied, the fill will not be shown. With hidden lines visible, the outer and inner contours are shown, without filling. In this mode, the edges hidden by the outer geometry are shown in dashed lines. Wireframe mode presents the model with all visible outlines, both external and internal, but without padding. It is also known as visualization of the wire model. When we show the model in shaded modes, we can choose to display shadows by activating the Shadows in Shaded Mode option in the floating toolbar. The Ambient Occlusion option activates a global lighting method that adds realism to environments by controlling light attenuation. Its effect is only activated when Real View is used. We can also show the model in perspective through the Perspective option, which defines the vanishing points of the model, leaving the visualization of the 3D object closer to the reality observed by the human being. By activating the Section View tool, we can show a cut of the template, choosing a plane or face to apply the section. On the section face it is not possible to apply sketches, and to turn off the section view, simply click on the tool again. Another important auxiliary tool is the display pane, where we can define several characteristics for each feature of the model, or component of a mount. We have the option Hide, Show, which allows you to hide or show a feature or component. Display Mode, which allows you to change the fill forms of the template. Appearances, to apply color or texture to the piece or feature in a quick and practical way. And finally the option Transparency, which allows you to apply transparency to any feature or component. We have seen in this class some more SolidWorks tools that facilitate the development of the project.